thank you all for joining us today for the Martin Luther King Jr. Day of Service. We're doing a day on instead of a day off.
So we're putting soap, shampoo, and socks in a used to be a tennis ball holder, and then we're also putting a McDonald's gift card in, and then the students are writing a nice message on the top and taping it to the container, and then we're going to send it to homeless shelters.
It feels good to make a difference in someone's life because I know I'm making them feel happy.
We really appreciate all of the students and their families that are here to do 9 hands-on service projects.
One thing I did today was made special messages for people in the Special Olympics.
So basically these are bags for Special Olympics, and in each bag we have a bottle of water, Gatorade, and a Kind bar. And then you just write like an inspirational note on it, like try your best or you can do anything. And then these bags go to the Special Olympics kids.
It feels really good to help other people because they don't have all of this stuff that we do and they're not as lucky as us.
So we're making activity kits for children in the hospital. So basically they just decorate a piece of paper, write activity kit and make it look really pretty, and then they grab a shopping list and they fill it up with everything in it. So we have crayons and paper and cards and Play-Doh.
Well, it's important to show what Martin Luther King did, and he helped the community stay together and show that everybody deserves to be who they are. And that's why we're all helping out to show that we should help the community.
So our station, we're making wreaths for the old folks at the Rosemont nursing home. So what we're doing is we're getting hearts and then we're doing paper mache on them, and we're gonna have them become wreaths that they can put on their doors.
I came here today to make a difference in people's lives. One of my favorite things I did today was decorating a bookmark.
So we're making bookmarks, and you can either color one in or design your own. And then we're gonna put them in books, and then we're gonna send them to different literacy groups. One is going to the Highland Home Civic Center, and the other one is going to a group in Philadelphia.
So the kids are making birthday cards and birthday bags for Cradles to Crayons, and they are going to be sent to Cradles to Crayons, and the workers at Cradles to Crayons are going to put gifts in the bags, and then they'll be able to give them to kids who need birthday presents.
I came here to help people.
Came because I wanted to help people who needed it.
We're writing welcome letters to immigrants that just got to the USA.
Alright, so we have kids over there decorating bags, and these bags are going to be loaded up over here, one item at a time, just with like some random perishable things and whatnot. They're going to the Eastern Life Center, and we're having kids decorate all of these and fill them all on their own.
We have 6 donation areas that are all going to local charities. And then we also are doing a 50-50 and a bake sale, collecting donations that are going to be supporting the Neighbors Helping Neighbors program, which is part of the Radnor Educational Foundation Fund. So we're very excited about being able to do so much good for the community and to be able to give back both financially and with all of our works of service. So thank you all for being here, and we really appreciate it.
It feels inspiring because I'm doing something that Martin Luther King did, and he made a big difference, so maybe I could make a big difference too.